In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently move your files into a designated folder using the simple drag and drop method. This process is incredibly straightforward and works well to keep your digital workspace organized and clutter-free. Let's dive into it and take it step by step to ensure you can easily accomplish this task on your own. First, you need to identify the files that you want to move. Think of this step like sorting out papers on your desk. If you have a bunch of digital documents, photos, or videos that are cluttering your workspace, now's the time to decide which ones need a new home. Go through your directory and carefully select the files you wish to relocate. This can be as simple as scanning through the items on your desktop or in a specific folder. It's like grocery shopping, only pick what you need to move right now. Next, you will use the drag and drop technique. This method is much like picking up a book from one spot and placing it on a different shelf, only in the digital realm. To do this, click and hold your mouse button down on one of the files you've chosen. You'll notice that as you hold down, the file becomes highlighted and attached to your cursor. This means you're in control and ready to move it to a new location. Now, while still holding down the mouse button, drag the file towards your desired folder. Imagine that you're gently moving an item across a table to another person. You don't want to drop it until you're sure you're handing it to the right individual. Your digital file here is in a similar scenario. Carefully guide it across your screen, whether on your desktop or within a master directory, until you reach the folder where you want to place it. Once you're hovering over the folder, go ahead and release the mouse button. This is akin to letting go of the package when it reaches its recipient. The file will then drop into the folder as if it has found its new home. It's important to make sure you aim correctly at the folder so your file doesn't accidentally land somewhere else. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully transferred your file using the drag and drop method. Each time you go through this, you'll find it becomes easier and faster. As you continue to organize your files this way, your digital space will become more navigable, and you'll save yourself a lot of time searching for documents later on. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide helps streamline your routine. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to move files quickly and efficiently. Remember, being organized not only helps improve productivity, but also reduces stress and increases efficiency in your daily tasks. Happy organizing!